MBA Crash Course: Global Business Strategy and International Trade. Introduction. Globalization has transformed the business landscape, opening doors to new opportunities and challenges. In this MBA Crash Course, we delve into the world of global business strategy and international trade, exploring the intricacies of navigating the global marketplace. From understanding cultural differences to formulating effective strategies, this course equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the global business arena. Interesting stories and examples. To captivate our readers, let's delve into two fascinating stories that highlight the significance of global business strategy and international trade. The Rise of Alibaba. One remarkable example of global business strategy is the success story of Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce giant. In just a few decades, Alibaba transformed from a small online marketplace to a global powerhouse, challenging the dominance of Western competitors like Amazon and eBay. Through strategic partnerships, innovative business models, and a deep understanding of the Chinese market, Alibaba expanded its operations globally and revolutionized e-commerce. The impact of tariffs on global trade. The imposition of tariffs and trade wars has been a hot topic in recent years. The trade dispute between the United States and China serves as a powerful example of how international trade dynamics can significantly impact global business strategies. The implementation of tariffs resulted in supply chain disruptions, increased costs, and uncertainties for businesses operating in both countries. It highlighted the importance of adaptability and diversification in global business strategies. Top 12 Global Business Strategy Principles. Market Entry Strategy. Choosing the right market entry mode, e.g., exporting, licensing, joint ventures. Conducting market research to identify target markets. Competitive analysis. Evaluating competitors and their strategies. Identifying unique value propositions and competitive advantages. Risk management. Assessing and mitigating risks associated with international operations. Developing contingency plans for unforeseen events. Cultural intelligence. Understanding cultural differences and adapting business practices accordingly. Building cross-cultural relationships and effective communication. Strategic alliances. Forming partnerships with local companies to leverage their expertise and resources. Collaborating with industry leaders to drive innovation and market expansion. Product adaptation. Customizing products or services to suit local market preferences and regulations. Adapting marketing strategies to resonate with diverse target audiences. Supply chain management. Designing and managing efficient global supply chains. Ensuring timely delivery and cost-effective operations. Pricing strategies. Setting competitive prices that align with local market conditions. Considering factors such as purchasing power, competition, and exchange rates. Government regulations and compliance. Understanding and adhering to international trade laws and regulations. Navigating complex customs procedures and documentation requirements. Sustainable practices. Integrating sustainability into business strategies and operations. Addressing environmental and social impact concerns. Technology adoption. Leveraging digital technologies to enhance global business strategies. Embracing e-commerce, data analytics, and automation for competitive advantage. Talent management. Building a diverse and multicultural workforce. Developing global leaders and fostering a culture of inclusivity. Summarization. In this MBA Crash Course, we explored the intricacies of global business strategy and international trade. We discussed the importance of market entry strategies, competitive analysis, risk management, cultural intelligence, and strategic alliances. We also highlighted the significance of product adaptation, supply chain management, pricing strategies, government regulations, sustainable practices, technology adoption, and talent management. These principles lay the foundation for successful global business operations. Poem. In the realm of global commerce, we take flight. Navigating the world with strategy and might. From market entry to competitive analysis. We forge ahead, fueled by business acumen and bliss. Cultural intelligence guides our way. Understanding nuances, where cultures sway. With open minds, we embrace diversity. building bridges of connection, with unity. Risk management keeps us steady and strong. Preparing for challenges, where we belong. Contingency plans, a shield against the unknown. We adapt and thrive, in markets we've sown. Strategic alliances, a key to our success. Collaborating with partners, we're truly blessed. Pooling resources, sharing knowledge and might. Together we soar, reaching new heights. Product adaptation, tailored to each land. Meeting needs, with a personalized brand. From east to west, our offerings unfold. Resonating with hearts, as stories are told. Supply chains span the globe, seamlessly. Efficiency and agility, we maintain effortlessly. Delivering goods, with precision and grace. Uniting nations, in a global embrace. Pricing strategies, a delicate dance. Balancing value, in every circumstance. Considering factors that shape the market. We find the sweet spot, where success sparks it. Government regulations, we navigate with care. Compliance and ethics, principles we share. With integrity, we abide by the laws. Building trust, as we champion our cause. Sustainability, a beacon of our mission. Environmental stewardship, a global transition. Caring for our planet, with conscious devotion. Leaving a legacy that sparks inspiration. Technology drives us, in this digital age. Embracing innovation, with fervent engage. From e-commerce to data analytics might. We harness the power, to shine ever bright. Talent management, our human capital treasure. Nurturing leaders, with wisdom and measure. A diverse workforce, with skills and finesse. A symphony of talents, that we proudly possess. In the realm of global commerce, we strive. To shape the world, where possibilities thrive. With strategy and vision, we chart our way. Unleashing potential, in the global fray. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.